Today we're doing a demo of a little bit more complicated back in stock tagging workflow. Basically, we're tagging the product as either out of stock or size broken. So broken size in fashion means that one of the size variants or a variant in general is out of stock on a product. So it's not like fully in stock. But let's start with the out of stock one. So when a variant goes out of stock, we go, okay, give me the product for that variant. And then this map is going to grab all of the variants that have inventory greater than 0. So all of the in-stock variants. And then it's going to say, are all the variants out of stock? If so, tag the product as out of stock and then remove the size broken tag. Otherwise, tag the product as size broken. On the flip side, when a variant comes back into stock, remove the out of stock tag, because if at least one variant is in stock, the product can't be fully out of stock. Again, grab all of the variants. In this case, grab all the variants that are in stock. And if all the variants are in stock, we're going to untag size broken. Otherwise, we're going to tag it as size broken. So regardless, it's no longer out of stock because at least one variant is in stock. And then if all the variants are in stock, we remove all of them. Otherwise, we tag it size broken. So some of the tests here that I ran, this is one where conditions passed, all variants were out of stock in this case. And the way you want to test this, you want to turn these on in order to test them. And then you want to jump in here and change your availability on the variants here in order to test that. And then you'll see those fire. In this case, only 2 of the variants were in stock. So we tagged it as size broken. And then similarly over here, again, this was the test where all 3 products were back in stock. Here was the test where not all of them were back in stock. So that's that one. And as always, you can find these on the automation demo section of the blog. So that one's right here. And then you can download these 2 workflows and take them for a spin.